Okay, we have a Mori Seiki vertical machining center, 4-axis, model NV5000 IA40, which is a 40 taper, serial number NV501 HK5945. Machine was new in 2009. We're going to run her for you. Machine has a Mori Seiki MSX501 Roman numeral 3 control with Fanuc back end, so that's Fanuc servo motors and drives. He just ran the X, now he's running the Y. And the Z. All axes are quiet. Now, the machine has 4th axis capability, also has the additional, can run 5, but not, I believe not all at the same time. So 4-axis simultaneous. We're running how many thousand? 5,000. Machine's very quiet. It goes up to 20,000 RPM. Again, this is a 40 taper spindle, 8,000. It has a 30 ATC. That's 12,000 RPM. Again, really quiet. Machine's also set up for probe. All right, that was a tool change or simulated tool change. And there we go again. Okay, so you've seen all the axes run. Oh, size of the table. You have a 43.3 by 23.6 table. You have 31 inches in the X, or 31.5, 20.1 in the Y, and 20.1 in the Z. So, hey, thank you for watching our video. Machine also has coolant through spindle.